Just how big is the universe, and what truly lies at its edge? To answer these questions, we are about to embark on a journey from Earth to the far reaches of our solar system, passing through the Milky Way and immense superclusters of galaxies, to finally uncover the ultimate mystery surrounding the edge of existence. Our first stop is the Moon, also known as Luna, where in 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong left humanity's first footprint on the lunar surface. Next, we encounter Venus, a planet where the atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide. This creates an extreme greenhouse effect, driving surface temperatures to a terrifying 462 degrees Celsius. Mercury, the smallest of the 8 planets, is the closest to the Sun, which glows with immense heat due to constant nuclear fusion reactions. However, even the Sun will meet its end once its nuclear fuel runs out. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun, located at an average distance of 1 astronomical unit, roughly 150 million kilometers. At this distance, it takes sunlight 8 minutes to reach and illuminate our surface. Mars, despite being a desert planet covered in hills and history, lies within the habitable zone, making it a key subject of research for many nations. Crossing the asteroid belt, we reach Jupiter, a giant gas planet with no solid surface and a massive storm known as the Great Red Spot, which could fit 2 to 3 Earths inside it. We then find Saturn, with its rings made of countless small ice chunks. In 2013, the Cassini spacecraft captured a composite photo of Saturn and Earth, showing our home as nothing more than a tiny blue dot. Beyond the solar system, we find the twin ice giants Uranus and Neptune, graced with unique colors due to the methane in their atmospheres. Together, these 8 planets and the Sun form our solar system. As we advance toward the edge of the universe, our entire solar system appears as merely a tiny speck of light. Each speck represents a star like our Sun, often with its own orbiting planets. Looking further, we find over 200 billion stars forming the vast Milky Way galaxy, which has a diameter of approximately 100,000 light-years. Earth is located in a peripheral region, and the milky white river of stars we see at night is actually the outer rim of our galaxy. Continuing outward for 2.5 million light-years, we reach the Andromeda Galaxy, the closest large galaxy to our own, containing a staggering trillion stars. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda are part of the Local Group, a small cluster of about 50 galaxies where we reside. Looking even further, the Local Group is just a small part of the Virgo supercluster, a structure composed of 100 galaxy clusters and groups. Yet, compared to the wider cosmic space, the Laniakea supercluster is merely the tip of the iceberg. As we accelerate toward the true edge of the universe, we see galaxies everywhere, each containing hundreds of millions of stars. The total count in the universe may exceed all the grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Because light has a finite speed, looking far into space is like looking back in time. The light we see from the Andromeda Galaxy is from 2.5 million years ago, and traveling far enough allows us to witness the birth of the first stars. At the final destination, we reach the edge of the universe, a point of infinite density, infinitesimal volume, and infinite temperature. This is what the universe looked like 13.8 billion years ago, just before it was born. This is the basis of the Big Bang Theory, first proposed by Georges Lemaitre in 1927. When this point underwent the Big Bang, time, space, and light came into existence, eventually forming all the celestial bodies we see today. The cosmic microwave background radiation recorded by the Planck Space Telescope remains the most compelling evidence for this event. Reaching this edge, we realize how insignificant Earth is and how boundless the cosmos truly is. If Earth were to suddenly disappear at this moment, it would not have the slightest impact on the universe. This leads us to the ultimate question. Given the vastness of the universe, why do we exist? And what is it all for?